I become a person, but my happiness will still be my own. Now me where they clean on the house.
Hey guys, good morning. Good morning, guys. I'm just seated here. This is my other room. We have a bed already, and the mattress came this morning. So my husband is gonna go grab it. But first of all, I want to arrange my clothes because we have a wardrobe now. So I need to session and figure out my clothes. The one I don't need no more. I don't care if it fits. If I don't need it anymore, and that's it. Like, I'm just gonna get rid of it because I'm tired of saving the clothes and I don't use them. I did the same thing last year. That was before I started a YouTube channel. So what I do is that whatever clothes that don't fit me anymore, whatever clothes I don't need anymore, whatever clothes I feel like I'm not gonna wear in the next, like, I'm not gonna, even though I keep it, it's not gonna last me like another 1 year, I just get rid of it. So that's what I'm about to do. You guys know most of my clothes are from Shein. That's the only place I order because it's affordable. They have my perfect size. Whatever's like my perfect size, they have it. Okay, and then they have my style and all of that good stuff. Okay, so I'm just gonna start this video now, and hopefully I can carry you guys along. If not, please, I'll add more clips to this video. But before I start, let me flip up the camera and just show you guys what I have now and what I'm about to do. It's gonna be a long day. It's gonna be a long thing. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are doing great. I'm pounding pounded jam. It's not morning anyways. It's like, well, I think the time is already 12 something. Yeah, it's not even morning. So I don't know why I said good morning, guys. So let me say good afternoon, guys. Okay, I'm gonna pound. That's what my husband and I is gonna eat later. So I have the yam. I'm already cooking the yam. I'm gonna do the pounded yam. It's called pounded yam with my Ninja blender. Okay, so yeah, let me flip the camera around and show you guys what I have. Let me start with this bag. This bag is my bag, a very big bag, and it's full with clothes. That one there, it's my bag filled with clothes. The one is my bag filled with clothes. This one's my bag, but this is my dirty laundry filled with clothes. This one is another clothes, another bag. Ghana must go filled with clothes. I have some behind there filled with clothes. Voila, voila, be like bicycle. These on the bed, I just brought this clothes out from this bag, this luggage. So yeah, this is what we have. That's the native I wear for the 60th birthday party. Okay, here I have more clothes, and lastly I have clothes inside that wardrobe. And this is the wardrobe that we got, and this is our new queen size bed in this room. This is our visitors room slash my new room. Okay, so I'm just gonna start with this one first. These ones are gonna be last. Yeah, these ones are gonna, please don't pay attention to my bra, I'm sorry. Yeah, so this one, and I have some that still have labels and stuff like that. Most of my clothes are from Shein. Okay, so I want to declutter these and then order more because I've increased in size. I don't know why. I'm getting bigger every day, you know. So yeah, it's not what you guys are thinking. So let me get started with my day with just doing this stuff. Hopefully I carry you guys along. I already started bringing out, and I just want to show you guys most of the clothes. So I'm just going to start bringing them out. It's a lot.
Now me where they wash in a car. Now me where they cook no car.
What I usually do is when I declutter my clothes, I'll send them to Nigeria. I'll just give the clothes to my mom, to my dad, and then my dad will save them up, even from my sister, then send it to Nigeria, to people who really needs these clothes. Okay, you know, we have a lot of people who wants to wear these clothes, so instead of me to just leave it here for nothing, I'll just send it to Nigeria. And one of my problem is that when I have my clothes, whatever is not close to me, I don't wear it. See, whatever clothes that is not like so close to me, like a clothes that I can reach to right away, I don't wear it. And here I can also donate this clothes to Salvation Army, but I don't want to do that. I'll just prefer sending it to Nigeria, and people we wear it, people we enjoy it, people we appreciate it more. Okay, so that's why I normally send the clothes to Nigeria. I could send it to Salvation Army, and then they can give me some paper, and when I want to find my income tax, I could just add it to it. But I beg, what difference does it make when I can just send it to Nigeria and give it to my family members, friends, and loved ones that really, even people in the streets, they will love to wear these clothes. You see, it's too much. You see, my mom is here. I called her to come join me. Say hi. Hi. I called her to come assist me do this. It's a lot of work. Look at this with labor. Let me wear it. See? It's too tight. You can see. See? I mean, I'm not that person that wears tight clothes. No. You can see. See? So this one is going. Say no. So whatever I'm gonna take to Nigeria, I'm just gonna put them here. Yes. So you know what? I think I'll go with here. No, see? See? Too tight. Yeah. So you can see this one is going. Like, nice clothes. I know how much I spent buying these clothes. See, nice dress. So, mommy, hand over to you. So I get that cloth. Whenever this one is new, never worn this before. Never. The day I wanted to wear it, I took out the label, but I did not wear it. Never ever wear this cloth. Never. Tight here. See, it's too tight. See? So let me do this and I'll talk to you guys later, okay?
Nami where they wash my clothes, Nami where they work for your shop, Nami where they work I become a person for my happiness, so still be my own.
The next day.
Hello guys, good evening guys. How are you guys doing? I slept, I just woke up. Okay, how are you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing well. If today is your first time of coming across my channel YouTube, my name is Laureen. Please do me a favor by hitting the subscribe button and also turn on post notification bell so that when I upload any video you'll be the first to get notified. To my returning subscribers, you are welcome back to the channel. Okay, so this evening I'm in a rush. It's almost 5 p.m. I want to cook my Nigerian black soup. A lot of people, I see a lot of comments whenever I do my cook video. A lot of people tends to like me cooking, so I decided to just show you guys how I cook my Nigerian black soup. So let me just introduce you to the ingredients. It's not too much, you know. Let me just get the seasonings that I'm gonna be using to cook this food. Okay, I'm in a rush. When I mean in a rush, I mean in a rush. Okay, so let me bring you guys closer and then bring you down. Okay, so yeah, these are the stuff I'm gonna be using. So, and this, I'm cooking Nigerian black soup. Come closer. So this is my spinach. Yeah, this is spinach. I already took it out from the stalk, right? You can see, or you can call it patio, you can call it stalk. So it's like this. I just pluck it out from this. Okay, this is my pepper soup spice blended. This is my bitter leaf. I have just this one, very little, because I don't want the soup to be too bitter. Okay, this is my cow skin, already washed. These are the proteins I'm gonna be using. I have chicken, I have shaki, which is cow stripe. I have turkey, I have goat meat, and I also have cow legs. Okay, this is my onion, and then this is my bangas paste. I was unable to open it, so this is the bangas paste that I'm going to be using. If there's any noise coming through, please, my air fryer is on because I have fish in there. Okay, this is crayfish. This is Nigerian cayenne pepper. This is my chicken seasoning, salt, and I have these two knorr cubes. Okay, lastly I have my meat stock. So first I'm going to wash this. After washing this, I'm going to blend with some oil so that the blending will be so easy for my blender. Okay,
Everybody get wrong, no me say your own wrong, passing my own.
so this is the banga paste, and I didn't use everything because it's too much. It's just for me and my husband. I don't want to use everything, so I'm just mixing it up with hot water. This is what we have. I'm just gonna pour it inside my cooking pot. Okay, this is my mixed stock already. So it's time to add the blended spinach. When you add your bitter leaf, please do not stir it, just cover it and let it start cooking. Okay, but I'm going to add my pepper soup spice now. Not everything. My onion. Time to add my pepper. I'm going to add more later, but for now I'm just adding that. Okay, so my soup is coming together. Turning this for the first time after adding the bitter leaf. So now I'm going to add my crayfish and then my cow skin. More water. Crayfish. I'm going to add everything. So I'm going to let this start cooking. Okay. This is my roasted fish, but I'm not going to add it to the soup. I'm just going to put this in the fridge like this. Whenever we want to eat, I'll just add it to my microwaved black soup. Okay, so this will be here. More of this, but I'm not going to use it. That's it. I'm going to add it to the one I have before. I already make swallow for my husband. He's going to eat now. I don't eat gari, but he does. This is Nigerian gari that my parents brought from Nigeria, so I'm just going to make it now for him to eat because he's about to leave. Okay, so yeah, this is me. I'm done cooking. I washed the plates already. The whole place is clean. I just need to turn this eba for my husband. We call it turn. I don't know what other English they use for it. So yeah, this is his eba for the black soup. Okay, so I'm just letting my black soup cook so that the meat will marinate. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna eat mine with starch. You can eat it with pounded yam, you can eat it with fufu, anything swallow you can eat it with. This is gari, eba. To my Nigerian family, you guys know what this is. So yeah.
Even the things that they go my way, even this way don't get nothing at all. My balance so.
When you start seeing this black thing, is the oil from the banga paste. Then you know your food is ready. Okay, just gonna turn this down. I'm done cooking. I'm going to end the vlog here. Please do me a favor by hitting the subscribe button. It's time to go eat. My stash is ready. Okay, please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Okay.